We're just calling in at Pardue at the Roadhouse to see if they got any fruit and veg that we're running low on. There is a campground here. They were destroyed in 2023 by a cyclone, which is not good. And it's good to see they're opening up now and doing a roaring trade. They didn't have too much in the way of fruit and veg, but we got 2 apples, $2 each. So diesel was $2.39.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself up on that list. But she said, where you wanna go? How else you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gift, some superhero, some fairy tale blade, just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this. I want something just like this.
Happy anniversary, Greg.
Happy anniversary. 29 years.
Wow. And you didn't have to pay for flash accommodation either. Look, we've got the best view in the world from our bed. Watch the sun come up. There's some beautiful pink and blue colours in the sky. And how much for a night?
$20.
Cheap.
The moon emits it clear, and Superman knows a suit before he lives. But I'm not the kind of person that he fit. She said, where you wanna go, how much you wanna risk. I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gear, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss, just something I can turn to, somebody I can miss. I want something just like that. Oh, I want something just like that. Oh, I want something just like this. Do-do-do-do-do. 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 Oh, I want something just like this. Do-do-do-do-do. 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 Oh, hush, my dear, it's been a difficult year. Tears don't play on any safe victim. Trust me, darling. Trust me, darling. Look me in the
Well, good morning. I've just woken up and looking at the sunrise. I haven't done much commentary on this video yet because of the wind. It's been really windy for the 2 days, but we've really enjoyed walking around and checking out the views and watching the tides come in and out. We had some dolphins in the bay here last night. We didn't put the boat in. We're on limited time, so we're going to head off today. Usually if we take the boat off, we like to give it at least a week in one spot. It's a little bit of an effort to put the trailer together. The boat coming on and off isn't a problem. It's pretty quick. It's more putting the trailer together takes about half an hour. But anyway, been a lovely stay. On to the next adventure.